Hey guys, Keith Electric. We're back here, Amherstburg. Beautiful downtown Amherstburg. We've made a lot of progress since the last video. We're gonna start here on the outside. I'll show you what we got going on. We're running new power to this building. Follow me. We're gonna have a new power point up here, new power to this building, underground and into the basement. Bit of a congested pole, but the thing with Amherstburg right now is just it's developing so fast. There's services, there's construction going on everywhere. I want to take you guys inside though. Let's go. The last time you guys seen this place, a lot of the walls stayed the same. Really old 2x4s, original structure. All we had were our device boxes mounted. Locations were picked, but now you'll be able to see, we started wiring. They've decided that they're gonna keep these fireplace openings, which we weren't planning on. Now they're gonna insert fireplaces, which they have on the ground here. So that's a challenge we have to kind of, sort through with the general contractor, with the owner, aesthetically how that's gonna look. But, how are we gonna make that work safely and properly? With the design build, you have to be patient and accept the fact that things are gonna change. But the one part that a lot of people don't want to talk about is the financial aspect of it, right? Every time there is a change on a job, that change costs labor and it costs more material, right? So what we try to do is provide transparency with those changes as they're happening. Sometimes that'll cause the change not to happen. Sometimes the customer will take it for what it is and accept it. And other times it's as simple as, yep, no problem, let's just get it moved. These units are gonna be used as hotel rooms right now. But what we have done is we've wired them in such a way where if these want to turn into, rental as a home down the road, this panel can be controlled on its own electrical meter, its own electrical bill through the hydro company. But yeah, that's it up here, guys. So let's hopefully the lights are turned on downstairs and we will go take a look. Okay, so we're on the main floor. Main floor of this building consists of 3 commercial units. The one obstacle though that we're facing is in order to finish the second floor, this ceiling needs to get finished to ensure proper fire rating. Fire alarm here, also fire alarm is something that we know exactly what needs to happen. This particular project, I brought in my own engineer. Life safety is something that you can't just wing it per se. So that's designed, that's engineered. So we know exactly where that's going throughout the whole building. So we have that whole system installed, ready to go. Big changes though are in the basement. Let's take a look. Still smells like a basement. That's not gonna go away. But big changes. We have an electrical room, which is huge for a job in general. This is our hub. This is where everything starts. A little something that I was explaining upstairs is we've designed this service to be done in such a way where in the future, everything can be metered separately. So everything can have its own individual electrical meter. Sometimes you might miss this in a design build because you're a little consumed with what you have to do right now. We showed the value in this to our customer and they understood and they accepted it. And personally, I think it's a great idea. Here we are, guys. We're back to this secret room. No surprises here yet. It's still just bare walls. I can't give this one away yet, so looks the same. Everything else though, we're rolling. Since that last video, just for time frame, we've been here consistently working for probably a little over a month. So all the work that you've seen is the stuff we've done in just a little bit over a month. Hope you guys like this video. It's been a wild day. Avery and I are just crushing it. Appreciate it. Thanks.